I'm the Jaunting Ape, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the tailgate lighting system for the 2024 Kia Sportage Hybrid. Now, I've been trying to find some information on these guys and there's been just nothing online, so I figured I'd make a video about it for you guys to see if it's something that you could use with your vehicle. So it should be a pretty quick one here. Let's dive right into it. It sure does cast a great blanket of light around the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about stepping on any scorpions or snakes. Now, it is a very simple little 2 LED light system. They don't look like much during the day, but they do cast a tremendous amount of light around the tailgate and inside when the sun goes down. And you can see even as the sun is coming up and it's getting a little bit brighter outside, it does light quite a bit here. Probably you're not going to have to step on any snakes or in any badger holes. Not only does it light up the back really well, it also does the interior. It's a lot brighter than it was before I had them installed. Now, if you're wondering how much the tailgate lighting system costs, I was quoted at $102 from Kia and my bill said $127. That's all before taxes, so I don't know what happened there. Same deal with my running boards. And while the parts were relatively cheap, it did take, I was in the waiting room for about 4 hours waiting for them to install it. There is a bunch of wiring in the guts here, and I did not want to try to do it myself. I didn't want to mess with wiring either on a new car. Careful not to void any warranties. And I'm still scratching my head as to why they charged me about $20 more than they said they were going to. 25 actually. After 4 hours in the waiting room, they only charged me an hour and a half for labor, so something there makes up for it. I guess the tech had never installed one of these before, so it was a learning curve. Now that the sun's coming up, I've got this floor underlay. I'm going to cut some window inserts out and have some window shades. Block that nasty sun out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And remember, the world is yours.